What's up, guys? Welcome to Primetime Poulton. I'm your host, Mark Poulton, comic book writer, creator of such comic books as Graveyard Shift, U.S. Assassin, Sea Dog, and Codename Killswitch, which is currently in demand on Indiegogo. Make sure you get those pre-orders in, though, because we're closing the store at the end of the month. Clint has finished all the pencils and inks for the pages. Andrew Dollhouse is coloring them up, and we expect everything to be done by the end of April. So make sure you get those pre-orders in. Today, we are doing an unboxing video. I got a package of books from Mile High Comics. During this quarantine, sometimes I get a little bored. What do? I buy 90s comic books online. I bought these off their eBay store. Not really sure what I even bought. I can't remember. I know I bought some Black Flag books. Some books I already have. I think I was missing maybe one. So I picked that up. Black Flag's going to be a hot book, I think. Dan's bringing the book back. April 25th, he launches his Indiegogo campaign for New Black Flag, and you're going to start seeing the prices on these books increase. It happened with Cyberfrog when Ethan Van Sciver relaunched that book. I expect the same to happen with Black Flag. We'll talk about it more, but first let's dig into this package. I appreciate Mile High putting the books in between some cardboard. I did a do's and don'ts video last week. I got a package in the mail from a book I backed, and it just came in a paper envelope, manila envelope. Book just in a bag and board. No security to it. No extra padding or nothing. So, Mile High, they've been in the business for a long time. They'll make sure your books get to you in good condition. Alright, let's see what I got. I'm a little excited. I can't really remember. There we go. Alright. First things first, Extreme Hero. Oh, this is interesting. So I have Extreme Hero, but it doesn't have this sticker on the bottom corner. I didn't realize there was a version like this, so this is cool. I'm happy about this. But before Black Flag came out, it was previewed. Oh wow, this is sealed. Yeah, I'm not going to open this up. This is really cool. I had no idea this existed. So when I ordered mine, I was just expecting the book, but this is sealed up. Not a bad find for $1. I want to say $1.25 on Mile High Comics, maybe $1.80 at most. Buy these up, man. These are early appearances of Black Flag. You'll want these, trust me, when the Indiegogo comes out, these old issues are going to skyrocket in value. I don't really consider myself, I don't collect because of monetary reasons. I collect because I just collect what I like. But these are going to be worth something. So this is Maximum Hero. I never had this before. This was a supplement to the Hero Illustrated book. But here's some Black Flag. You can see Dan's artwork right off the bat. You know it's him. This is cool stuff, man. Avengelyne, a character I'm very familiar with. For those that didn't know, I wrote Avengelyne back in 2011 for Rob at Image. Had a 2-year storyline planned. We only got a year's worth of it done. I think it's still up online at KeenSpot, running as a webcomic. Check it out if you're bored and you're looking for something to read. It's fun stuff. Law and Order. I remember this book. Marat Michaels artwork. Wild Guard. Todd Knock. Very cool. So there you go, Maximum Hero, early appearance of Black Flag. Asylum number 5. This has a Black Seed story in it by Dan. I don't know what was going on with Black Seed. I know Dan's artwork was still killer. I don't know if it was pressure from Henry Rollins to change the name or what, but when it relaunches this April 25th, it's going to be Black Flag again, and I'm happy for that. Asylum was a fun book. Bunch of different stories going on. After I placed the order, I realized there's an Asylum 6 that has Black Flag on the cover. There's no story inside. I'll have to check my collection to see if I have a copy. If not, I'll be hitting up Mile High Comics again. Black Flag number 1, Maximum Press Edition. Awesome pull-out cover. I'm going to have to give these a reread to be prepared for the new version. I just love everything about 90s comics, man. Look at this. This is awesome. Dan, back in the 90s, Dan was one of my favorite artists. Still is one of my favorite artists, but between Bloodstrike, Black Flag, and my favorite of his books, Kid Supreme, man, I just couldn't get enough of his artwork. What else we got here? Oh, another Maximum Hero. I have 2 copies now. I went from having 0 to having 2, so I can say I'm happy now. Black and White, another book that's made a return. If you subscribe to my channel, you saw I did a Black Flag unboxing. Art T. Bear recently released a new version of Black and White. So this is issue number 1 from Image back in the day. Really cool stuff. I'm glad. I'm really happy to see these like 90s image books that didn't have the longest runs, but were loved by fans coming back. I would suggest Marat Michaels brings Blindside back, Demon Slayer back. I think the fan base is there. And the last book I picked up, Black Flag #3. I already had, most of these books I already had copies of. I just wanted extra copies. But I always loved this cover. It's really awesome. Down in the sewers with his big gun. How the heck did he get away with Beavis and Butthead being in here? I don't know. But I'm receiving a call right now, so that's the end of this video, man. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit subscribe if you liked what you've seen. Press the bell for notifications, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.
Woo! Yeah, just your everyday puppy, always playing, always smiling. Till the day he was given an enchanted medallion. Now he has superpowers, he can fly and do it all. If you get in trouble, then you know just who to call. I'm your dog, say I'm your dog. Ain't no problem I can't solve. I can fly, I'm super strong. I'm your dog, say I'm your dog. And I'm always on the job. Got your back, I'm your dog. Woo!